Michelle.
Hi, and I'm Jerry Dixon.
And on the fourth segment of our series today, we're going to talk about some of the options you have for your kitchens. Jerry, what would you recommend as options to people who want to allot as much space as they can in a kitchen?
Well, the big thing is usually the layout itself of the kitchen restricts you from what you can actually do. So don't get stuck with what you have. Try to change it around a little bit. When you change it around a little bit, you can start adding things like more drawers. Like, drawers are really nice. You don't have to crawl on the floor to get into the cupboards. Dividers and drawer dividers and corner unit dividers, cookie sheet dividers, pot and pan drawers, like spice racks. It goes on and on and on. Now that's the basic changes that you could do, but there's a lot of add-ons you could do. There's a great site called Richelieu.com, and they have toys, is what I call them. You have drawer dividers and mixer lifts and garbage can divider or recycle stations and pull out spice racks, and like there's no real end to it. Like you can have so much now.
What are some of the cooler options that you've seen when space isn't really the issue?
A lot of the things are the corner units. They came a long way. They used to have just a shelf in the corners. Then they had that Lazy Susan. And now they have things that are like the Le Mans where it actually pulls right out so you can get right into the corners of everything.
So it utilizes all the dead space.
It uses all the space.
Okay, awesome. So there are lots of options, a plethora of them. So depending what you like to do, there's options for you.